Okay, so I will introduce briefly how to use the uh, MLAS Map Review Viewer. You start from the link I provided there. Yeah, sometimes it may take some seconds to load the map viewer. And we need to drag the bar down to accept all the articles. Yeah, we have to, so that we can use it. Right, and so as you can see, the province been separated to different grades, and this is relevant how to make maps for large area, high resolution map for large areas, separate large area to different blocks and numbering them. So that's not our focus. We will want to uh, uh, click on I want to, and we will need to see the change visible map layers. Right. So what we see here, so different layers. We want to see the base map. We don't want to see the reference. We don't want to see the administrative boundaries. We don't want to see the MLAS. And for the geology, um, we want to see the bedrock geology, right? Oh, there's a refreshing issue. Okay, anyway, so to zoom into the zoo area of the zoo, just look at the mouse somewhere there and move the mouse wheel forward. Uh, Now, yes, there's some issue of refreshing the um, browser. Right now we see everything, right? And now we cannot see the base map, right? So we just move the slicer to the left slightly, right, to see the background map. See the background map. Okay, and we uh, we will finalize the field trip spots soon or stop soon. I have provided 3 spots there. You can use that to start working on the maps. Right, so it has 2 values. It has 2 values. One as the uh, latitude, another one the longitude. The longitude is in negative values because we are in the western hemisphere. Right, so what we want to do, and for of course to identify where the spots are, we can always visit maps google.com maps google.com, right, and paste point the values there and hit enter key. Right, somewhere here where it is, zoom out. Right, move your mouse wheel backward. Right, close to the intersection between Highway 532 and Highway 556. Right, further zoom further out to see where is, yeah, where it is. Right, so it is there. Oh, it's weird. I see Chinese there. I see Chinese there. Yeah, some days I see some Chinese characters. Some days I don't. Uh, so once we are sure where it is, we go back to the map viewer. Right, go back to the map viewer, so we can even slice further or uncheck it. Right, uncheck it. Right. 532, 556, somewhere here. Right, somewhere here. And it should be somewhere here. Right, it should be somewhere here. And previously we saw, so open space, one open space around here. So it's somewhere here. So what we can do, right click on one spot and select draw a point. Right, so it is there. And then click on it again and add some text, like stop one. Right, click OK. Right, so now because the stop one label is on top of the blue point, right? We click on it to select it, and when the cursor is at the shape of a hand, hold and drag the mouse. Yeah, let's make sure it's not covering the blue stop, but that's it. That's it. Right. So if we don't like it, as we can see there, we can just hit the delete key. Right. So now we'll just keep it. The same thing, if we want to delete the blue spot, so what we can do, click to select it and delete it. Or we can change the style, but blue one, that's fine. That's fine. Right. And and okay, so another way I mentioned uh, in the instructions that if you click on markup and printing, right, markup and printing, right? So there's like a edit tool, right? Edit tool you can use, erase or edit. Right? Click on erase, and then click on this spot. It's erased, right? So there are different ways to add a point, right? So there are different ways to make changes, add a point or add a label. So the label should be at the top right corner of the point. And make sure you have, right, 3 points, right? At least, so of course, if three stops, 3 points, four stops, four points, right? And likely we have like 3 to 4 stops, and I will need to add the next one, right? The next one,